स्पेशल कलेक्टराक रिक्वेस्ट करून फिक्स करपा लायली बेसिकली टू गिव अ टायम बाउंड डिलिव्हरी एज फार एज सिवरेज वर्क्स आर कन्सर्न. जालें कितें 8 दीस पयलीं people started complaining that sewage chambers are flowing. One is in Chincha, one is in Pamba, one is in Kalkonde. म्हणजे सारखे टेल एंड एरियाज पळया ज्या जाग्यार इट इज पंप टू ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट. Saturday we paid visit along with the entire sewerage team. सगळे engineers began siterial, and then they briefed me saying that 4 pumps are failed operating. They are not operating. So they have purchased now new pumps and their pump installation is going on our footing. Till such time, many short measures were discussed and they have decided to bypass one well and take it directly to the bigger well. That work is going on, bypassing of pumps. So that will be by Friday. By Friday, that work will be completed. Then 2 tankers are posted permanently till this issue is resolved. One is Pinsa, one is Pamba. So every day they operate the tankers. They try to suck the chamber, whichever is filled, and try to give them relief. With that, people were also called. They have said that they have got tremendous relief in the sense घरा होताले पळय लोकांच्या ते खूपशे कमी झाले. ताका ऑप्शनच नाशिल्ले बस टँकरच थंय पोस्ट केले. एनी कंप्लेन कम्स विच टँकर चेंबर इज फ्लोइंग दे वॅकेट इमिडिएट. आता हे पंप बसून 17 तारखेक they will require a shutdown on 17 to connect these new pumps to the panel board. The panel nave ghalun te board. By 19th they will recommission the entire all the system including these 4 pumps.